This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Joseph Harris. Absolutely gorgeous and completely remodeled second floor unit in beautiful Pine Key Condominium Resort, just steps away from the community pool and clubhouse. Open spacious floor plan with vaulted high ceiling in living room, large bedrooms. Brand luxury plank flooring throughout. New stainless steel appliances with granite countertops in kitchen. Both bathrooms are beautifully tiled and have granite countertops. This unit is a must-see. Pine Key is a short 10 minutes from downtown Fort Myers and is an excellent location for commuters. Great rental income potential. Located along the Pine Island corridor, this is a small Key West-style community of 56 units. Pine Key Condominium Resort is in a rapidly expanding area, with multiple healthcare facilities nearby and within 5 minutes of retail centers that include Target, Publix, Bealls,